Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I will appreciate it. Help me reach my goal of getting my first 1,000 subscribers. Today I am sharing with you a quick dinner at home idea for this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you enjoy this meal. For this recipe, you're gonna need black pepper, cilantro, salt, white pepper, parsley, thyme, rosemary, paprika, garlic, and some olive oil. Now if you don't have all these spices, you can just get a mixture of spices like this. This has red chill, garlic, salt, onion, cornmeal, jalapeno, tomato powder, green chill, paprika, oregano, and cumin. So I'm actually going to be adding this on top of everything that I'm adding. You can also make your steak with just 5 ingredients: salt, black pepper, rosemary, paprika, and garlic. Your steak is still going to be good if you use only those 5 ingredients. So let's get started. So along with that, obviously I have my steak here, 2 pieces beef. I also forgot you need your butter. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse my steak. I'm not a big fan of just taking meat and cooking. I can't do it. If you decide to rinse your meat like I did, make sure you're rinsing it with cold water. Do not put warm water on it because you're going to start cooking the meat and you don't want that. Time to season our meat. Time to get our hands dirty. I'm just gonna go ahead and massage the spices into the meat. Just slowly rub that. Make sure it gets everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this, put it into my fridge, and let it marinate while I set up my table. Okay guys, so while I am getting the meat ready, I am going to go ahead and set this table up. I have here some candles, this set of chocolate that was given to me, so I'm going to use that. I have my plates and silverware here. Over here I have my drinkware, a tablecloth, and some napkins. I'm going to remove this because we don't really need it, and I'm going to set up the table. I'm not one that likes to have a lot of reds. I'm not really a big fan of the color red in general, so I have just a few items that might have some red. I just try to incorporate a little bit of red, but it's mostly going to be a lot of just basic, just elegant and classic dinner look here on the table. So let's get into this. So I have these fairy lights that I got from Amazon. If you're interested in purchasing these, I'm going to link below. I also have these little hearts that I cut. I'm going to just place that around. I ended up figuring out another solution to add some more reds here. I'm just gonna tie this spoon and fork with this red ribbon. Next, I'm just gonna place a few of these. So our meat has marinated for about 4 hours now. You can do it within 1 hour, but we were not ready to have dinner yet, so I let it marinate a little bit longer. Add my olive oil. So you let the oil warm up. Our pot is ready. We're gonna go ahead and place our meat. We're gonna cook that on medium to high heat. While that is getting ready, I'm gonna set my oven to 350 degrees. Time to switch our steak. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this other side for about 1.5 minutes, max 2 minutes. The steaks are pretty big for the pot. So while this is cooking for 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter. I've already cut my butter. I'm just going to drop that on the steak. I'm also going to go ahead and add my garlic. About a teaspoon. Don't put too much garlic because you want that nice juicy flavor of steak. Just gonna get that juice along with the butter and just baste your steak. I'm gonna just taste the salt just to make sure that the salt I have on the sauce is good enough. And this is unsalted butter. Now it's time to transfer our steak into the oven and let it cook to the level you want it to be cooked. You're gonna check every 5 minutes until it gets to the level of texture you are looking for. Okay, I'm gonna check my meat. I like my medium to well done, so I'm gonna check the temperature. My temperature has to be at 150 degrees. We are 133, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more.